What's the meaning of Bluetooth? Bluetooth. Bluetooth.
Bluetooth. Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a wireless technology used for short-range communication between electronic devices. It was developed in 1994 by a group of companies, including Ericsson, IBM, Intel, Nokia, and Toshiba. The name Bluetooth comes from a 10th-century Danish king, Harald Bluetooth, who united Denmark and Norway. The creators of the technology chose the name to represent their goal of unifying different devices and technologies. Bluetooth operates on radio frequencies and can connect devices up to 30 feet apart. It allows for communication between devices such as phones, laptops, printers, and headphones, making it a convenient way to transfer data wirelessly.